How to fix Google Chrome's slow downloads. Increase Google Chrome downloading speed. Hey there. In this video, I'm showing the best steps to increase Google Chrome downloading speed. Okay. Let me start. First, up here type to search Chrome, then 2 dots. Flags. Hit enter to search. Then in this panel find parallel downloading. On this side, you can see it's in the default. Choose to select enable. Done. Now move this side and tap on these 3 dot lines. Move down and click on the settings. Click on privacy and settings. Move down to the Use Secure DNS. Under With, choose to select Google Public DNS. Done. Now, on this side click on the System option. Turn off these 2 options. Now this will make your Google Chrome speed up when downloading files. So, if you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And even leave a comment. Have a nice time.